Should item receive with purchase order or without purchase order? Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. Goods should generally be received with a purchase order, as this provides a record of the goods or services that were requested from the supplier and the agreed upon price. Receiving goods without a purchase order can lead to confusions and errors, as there may not be a clear record of what was received or the price paid for the goods. In addition, receiving goods without a purchase order can create problems with the supplier if there is a discrepancy or issue with the goods, as there may not be a clear record of the goods they were ordered. So, to minimize the risk of error and ensure that the goods received match the purchase order, it is important to receive goods with a purchase order whenever possible. That's all for my sharing in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Once again, my name is Vivienne. Have a great day and I will see you in the next video.